Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Beauty and Fashion, your ultimate destination for style inspiration, tips, and trends. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and versatile hairstyles of all time, the bob haircut. Whether you're looking to revamp your look or find a chic, timeless style, this video will guide you through the latest trends, variations, and techniques to achieve the perfect bob for you. Let's get started. The bob haircut is truly a classic, a style that has stood the test of time and evolved to remain relevant in the ever-changing world of fashion. Originally introduced as a simple short haircut, it has transformed over the decades with the addition of fresh details, innovative techniques, and personalized touches that make it adaptable to modern trends. What makes the bob so special? It's incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer short, medium, or long lengths, this haircut works seamlessly with all hair types and textures, straight, wavy, or curly. The beauty of the bob lies in its ability to enhance your natural hair structure while requiring minimal styling effort. It's no wonder this hairstyle continues to dominate the beauty scene. When we talk about variety, the options are endless. You can opt for a sleek bob without bangs for a polished look, or choose one with bangs for a playful, youthful vibe. If you're feeling bold, consider a bob with lengthening or asymmetry for added drama. There's also the timeless French bob, a shorter, chicer version that oozes Parisian elegance. Each variation can be tailored to suit your face shape, hair type, and personal style. Let's break it down. Short bob, perfect for those who love practicality without sacrificing elegance. This style highlights the neck and is especially flattering on women with thick, straight hair. Medium length bob, a layered, graduated bob is ideal for adding or reducing volume depending on your preference. This variation includes high layers throughout the length, medium layers cut at an angle for better volume, or light layers at the tips for a subtle effect. Extended bob with an angle, known as the angled bob, this style transitions from a shorter back to longer front strands, creating a dynamic, flattering silhouette for any hair type, face shape, or age. And that's not all. Today's fashionable bobs include double bobs, cascading bobs, and those with textured or torn cuts, each offering its unique charm. Whether you're drawn to a dramatic asymmetrical look or the soft sophistication of a layered style, the bob haircut is a canvas for creativity. Remember, naturalness is the key trend today. Maintaining the natural texture of your hair adds authenticity and effortless beauty to your look. So, when you're consulting with your stylist, discuss how to emphasize your hair's natural movement while selecting a style that complements your features. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the stunning versatility of the bob haircut. Which style are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay fabulous and stylish.